Ladies and gentlemen,
boys and girls,
welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
My homies keep on checking you out. They wishing to be yours and they taking you out. It's getting to my head and they pissing me off. I got some real ones and they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can call me any day. You can.
Yeah, I think it's him 9. So, as Glente sharp ends again, before ngixolisa ukuthi imphuzile. Like Glente ends again enthabisile this week. So, ntemplomile actually melele out yami ukuthi sihlangane town then bese sendlini segada sokumchova kwayo. Echa Twitter i20 izikhoma lezi ezizulu fashion house lezi.
Serious?
We 20 izikhoma sezulu fashion house ufa uthenga isicathulo ezulu fashion house. So we really appreciate abantu abanjalo. Like abawona ukuthi se advertiser izinto ku podcast bambe bayo actor bona phona. Wena abangani bakobelela kwizini balabantwana.
And I know for me, like me.
Maforty. Sorry.
Uphuzile futhi.
Nampuza ukuphangisa. Ngiphinde ngixolise ukuphuza kwamadoda. Namhla mphuze how many minutes, bro?
Dog. That's a lot.
So stay singakaqalisile ukuze.
Hourglass. This is not an hourglass.
Stay singakaqalisa podcast omunye wathi i first round yamanye amachita.
Eziyo wasifayela khona yethi ithalaza lapha kungakaqedi.
Ama lokhu wesilo.
So to my excuse.
I'm looking at this, I'm like, oh, hey.
Kwenziwa yini ben?
Amazwana bese phothini khona.
Ngambuza.
Into le lokhu iyafuna.
Ngambuza.
Yeah.
Ngambuza amachita that day ukuthi ngambuza abantu abakhulileyo. Angazi ukuthi into lezi ngiyakhuluma ku podcast before. I don't think ngiyakhuluma before.
But I khuluma I think.
Yeah, I think ngiyakhuluma la. Uthi ngambuza abantu abadala like abachatileyo. Ngoyenye igroup yamachita akhulileyo. Yabo, mbuza ngithi kodwa amachita ngicabanga ubuze like at your age ngitshela ukuthi every time mali senza into is a bedroom ukuhlala kuyi perfect yabo ukuhlala yonke into grand mina ngibuza njenge boys yabo elinye lobakhuluma ndathi mfana njengomuntu osoyenza konke ama days afanani likhona iday lokuthi sibilani yowenza yonke into sharp amanye ama days uzibona ukuthi hayi lapho uphekisi lapho uphekisi chwane silamabhundu la uyabusibona futhi lesi silamabhundu. But iPutas laphethe lathi ismoke esikhona vele I double disaster ongayenza ukuthi uqeda kushaya esilamabhunda uthi wena usufuna ukupheka esinye khonapho ngabe usupayizile into le ngikhuluma ngayo ayiso yesitshwala. This is not about pap.
Yeah. It's about pap rounds.
But yeah, how are you doing, guys?
I saw a video with this guy said, "Wena, umuntu akwadomnika 5 or 7 rounds. Ubiyele ubani
Ndoda 7. 7 it's a lot, bro. So we are coming into live from Zulu Fashion House, and today we are recruiting.
This one is too excited.
We are recording using our very own Roadcaster Pro 2. Excitement. This chaos spell uphuma ndoda. Lesi somrele some make sure ukuthi mang edit like ngiyakhathi part la. Then dina bese lizwakala lihleke ukuthi wena ngiqamliske. But yeah guys, we have our Tywin Roadcaster Pro 2.
Roadcaster Pro 2, bro.
Yeah, shout out to the person that donated equipment because asizithengelanga abantu baqalisa sesilemali aqalisa ukuthi kuthiwa i-podcast sithola imali hey
But
but
technically, because it's what you did something to get it.
Yeah.
You put in the work somehow. You pay, not necessarily financial, but in other ways.
but shout out to abantu abasibikelayo babona ukuthi sound yethu iphuma ipap and but decide ukuthi ba reach out basithengele sound equipment lesilayo siyabonga kakhulu guys. I feel like ngizahlala mbonga vele ukubonga kwami akusuke kuphela and siyabonga.
So to celebrate, I'm looking at it. It says we have 11 hours of recording. So this episode is 11 hours.
Nah 11 say abantu
11 hours.
actually ngamfuna ukunika abantu quiz ukuthi bagethe ukuthi sirecorda sikhathi bani.
What time will you?
Ozagethe ukuthi sirecorda sikhathi bani ku-comment section uzasijoyina sizorecorda following episode. Yeah,
Initiative.
Cool, yeah,
So,
yeah.
Yeah. When I get akuthi ngaphi bakwazi but sirecorda sikhathi bani. Ungagethe ukuthi sirecorda sikhathi bani. Next episode siyabe
Put you
silawo.
on, yeah.
Nxa ngucherry sangathola date maybe.
Naye ucheri sihamba la eGarden of House. The sun. Garden of House.
By the way,
Shade.
like
Sihamba la Under the Sun.
episode le yathi iphuma iGarden of House
EBCNC. So sihamba la Under the Sun.
Yeah,
Morumba Peach.
under the sun.
Unamali.
Nabuza bro andivela.
No.
Maforty. Maforty likufunda ngapi khona ukuzele ukukhuluma kuma podcast. But so ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
boys and girls.
boys and girls, welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet. For your entertainment purposes only.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hiyo lana eti pu 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 pu.
Felt awkward, eh? Like we
Because I mean, see, this sound, so I was like, I'm going along with this sound.
yeah, it was.
Yeah.
But yeah, so Maforty until yakwazi ukuthi
Hayi ngumafoti sifonda.
Very too close to Maforty.
So yeah, siyabonga guys. Yo, I feel like sonke sisa processor ukuthi i-item is now. Yo, but otherwise, how are you guys doing? Are you guys okay?
I'm in a good space, so I'm good.
Yeah, khanya bakuphile yini izinto ezikhala kahle.
Bakukhothisa we-podcast.
These past months have been in a good space.
Anoke nikhothisa umafoti.
Anoke nikhothisa.
Asale thayile so.
I'm in a good space, man, so I'm good.
Yeah. Ngapo boys. Are you
We're straight, bro.
are you guys okay?
sharp.
Straight.
Otherwise,
Fresh.
sometimes good, sometimes bad.
Sometimes good, sometimes shit.
But
But yeah, we always.
Yeah, siyakhuluma lapha. Siyakhuluma. Hey, mposa akhuluma izinto imfihlo la. Ukuthi inhlamba zethu zona lezi ziyasikhuthisa ama clients abhadalayo. But again, I feel like as uba content creator kunzima eZimbabwe. This week mina haya ngikufilile. This week ngikufilile bro. Like kule client engafunga umbhadala ndoda. Like vele nxa ngikhuluma ngakho senyembezi seseduzana. Because
Bese sikubuzanga uthi no grand.
yeah, limbuzi. Mina phela ngiyeme expect ukuthi na nxa senthi awafaka chance li grand. Sengithula vele.
Yeah, wena uzakwatula hlaqhubeka ukukhuluma.
Ngithi awafaka. This is the part where you say wena unjani. So AJ umuntu kafuna imali yami bro. Bro. And funny thing is, we've been doing the job actually. Abanye abantu bengabona ukuthi we are actually doing the job. Ikho bona konti si grand into nesiyenza. Must be a sense job abantu bangananzeli ukuthi le job.
You know, when I used to have clients, you know, some computers, bro, especially with the laptop, fix days to fix laptop, also take $50, $10. So I end up that line of business I ended up leaving Like mina this one my client yami wathi awayixabile isitala ngiyachiya uhambe ngibane.
Bro, okwami situation yokuthi kule contract involved, bro. Mina into engayifuniyo yana. Ukhanya sesibizela amaloya. Thina like indawo esihlala kule incane kakhulu.
But as a content creator, I was in a discussion today. Funny enough, I'll play the audio right after the show.
Yeah.
It's. Do you know the guys who have been like? Let's look at those guys who posted on the pure box when they started, right? He spoke about the story. What it? Check WhatsApp. Everyone was talking about them on WhatsApp. Everyone's and then he said, "That's like Eco Cash never send us money on Eco Cash." For the first hour, they had $9 in the first hour. Then after 3 months, they had $22 on that account. Right? And they're meeting people in town. They are becoming popular. Those guys were popular. They did it before Comic Pass and Stop TV. Those are the first ones to do skits, right? Yeah. So they were becoming popular. But at the end of the day, even the people that say Safawu, Eco Cash, they were not even putting. But then at the end of the day, when they stopped doing that, so to allow idea good. But when it was that hot, you guys were not putting money.
No, I feel like unga invest vele on content. Kuyayibulala, bro. Ngutshela ukuthi kungayisikho ukuthi ngasiya thola izinto ezinje so ngasiloke siyabela. Because into ezinje so imotivation yokuthi sibuye lapha sizo recording episode next week. Imali yona le kade mele ngireceive from iclient yena le bemfuthi sizithengela wethu ama-light because ama-light silokhu esirenta so vele ukuphapha akumelanga siphaphe too much like sesingaphapha but singaphaphi yeah because ama-lights yabo so yabuplanile bro ukuthi imali yenza ithola ngizathenga ama-light ngibhadala Maforty.
But as content creators, guys,
yeah,
our audiences, they will like us, and they will make us famous. They will love us. But when it comes to keeping money, to very people who do that. There's a guy I was telling you, he runs a festival. He says he's no longer going to do the festival because why is it okay? This is the amount of money I'm putting in the festival. This is the amount of money that people are supposed to pay to come to the festival. But then all way of the right time the festival, I'm not willing to pay that amount. Not me.
Maforty belong to my festival.
We only started doing a festival last year. This year is going to be the second year. But this guy is for more than 10 years. So it's like, you know what? I'm stopping this because the audience itself, it's not even the government. It's not even say, we are seeing you doing this. But I say, fucking my old. They even have parastatal to put money. They're not even. So our government, our corporate, and this is but not even want to put the actual amount of funeral.
But lina lithi ngenze njani ngomuntu oyimali because mina ngikwazi ukuchaya Maforty bro.
Ngayekela next week some name drop.
No, but if you have a contract, just take it to your lawyer.
Yeah, because mina into enyawe ngazifuni izona lezi but abantu bamforce bro.
That's why you have contracts. Contracts are for that purpose to at this juncture.
Yeah.
Invoke the contract and say, but the contract stipulates that.
But anyways, mabe khona abafuna ukusinika imali. If you are watching this podcast for the first time and it happens, ule mali oyibeke eceleni or reach. Just reach out, man. Reach out on our social media pages. Sikhona thina yonke indawo. We
want to reach 1 million subscribers so something you can ask that girl.
Nah.
Will you marry me?
Nah, we're not doing that.
We're gonna do that. 1 million subscribers.
Actually, like I've been seeing into ezinengade senzakale SA. First of all, shout out to Julius Malema for that.
Yeah, for that shit. Yeah, there's some crazy shit there, bro. Yeah, that was crazy.
Like, look, can I go?
That's a feat, bro. Can't bamvumeli, guys. You niggas are so hard on that guy. I remember the recent case. He could say, youth sector sesikhuluma i-politics kakhulu. But I
Siyakhuluma,
remember
yazi
first day lapha kuthiwa ama-candidates aka-disqualifyiwe. Wonke umuntu, even lo mdala wethu we-focus uwopha, esithi hey vele hey abakho organized, no structure, hey.
Yeah.
So uphume affidavit ukuthi members abe ngesikhathi. Not even one person is apologizing now. You people are too critical on that guy. Sometimes I feel like the enemies have infiltrated our brains.
Those 12 are now able to participate in elections.
Eh?
You know the first person to congratulate them?
Eh.
Professor Jonathan.
How?
He was the one in the forefront. Hey, but it's too low. Hey, what?
Exactly, yeah. So I feel like my narratives la level is just constructive criticism, but it's actually being fueled by the other side.
But I feel like
Because
this week,
everyone was convinced those guys don't think and they're not organized.
I
But
feel like-
now
I feel like this week besile sibindi sonke soku Twitter ngepolitics. Bembona ngapha samdala la beserious. Besithi ngafaka la manga ngithi anjikile.
I haven't been really doing social media.
Nah, may I tweet, bro?
I was playing crazy. I'll delete the tweets. I want to take them down.
It was, we knew, like, deep down we knew these 12 were going to be given back their content. You know what I know why? Because they are playing a game on us. So that when the hour comes, when it matters, if this a court case is lost, but now we never last time the court case. So these courts are independent. You get my point?
These are, by the way, these are the views of Maforty, and they do not reflect those of the podcast.
That-
It's a game.
The guys are playing chess, bro.
Yeah.
Not checkers. Abadlali draft, abadlali chess. Okunye futhi okukhulunywa ngabanye ukuthi nxa because ama-courts any source of law kuthiwa i-precedence. I-court namuhle ngathi umgcini ngoba utshontshe icice ezulu fashion house mase simquma intamo. Uraf like kusasa noma limthanda njani engenza the same offense quma intamo. So awulamanye ama-candidates ama-gents lana.
Oh,
I didn't want to name drop, but yeah, there were a
Maforty.
lot of there were a lot of candidates. I'm a chancellor. I allow yeah.
Other party. So, but only one was a court, which is the one in Bulawayo.
Exactly.
So, the moment we told Joseph Bunyana, the thing was, because of these other ones.
hey.
So they were going to sacrifice 12 maybe for 55. It wasn't going to be a fair trade for them.
We digress.
Anyway, it's fine. They say Malema was rocky.
No, mina bengikhuluma ukuthi uMalema did a good thing, and shout out to it's not like abantu abazasibikela anyways, but I feel like we have to say it because like it's something nice.
Shout out to the EFF. Although they were singing some racial slurs somewhere. Yeah.
A podcast.
Exactly. I was somehow supporting them, and then
I understand that part.
yeah.
Everyone's like, yeah, you're saying kill whites, kill whites, kill whites. Guys, how many videos? I'm not saying they should kill whites or they should promote killing whites. But I'm saying everyone's so much talking about that song. What each one? But how many videos have you seen of white guys in their farms ill-treating or raping black people in South Africa? And yet the much noise is being made on the people singing.
No, Maforty, no. I-angle bengikhuluma ngayo ngiyokuthi right now sesiku generation reality, none of us, maybe few of us, but probably none of us were in the struggle. So umzukulu ka Van Riebeeck whatever odla imali ke resi yamaplaza kakhulu akhe engasukuma ethi kill the Kafer ngihlabela ngikhumbula ama struggle songs kakhulu wami lama I don't mean it literally. How will you guys take that thing? Even in states ababeratha khona abantu abamnyama kuma farms abazukula ama beneficiaries entoni la engaqalisa ukuthi whip the nigger. Lisa, how will how will you guys receive
It's
it?
happening, but here's the
No.
What I'm saying right now is happening in America. Is it happening in America?
No,
They're
guys.
changing the narrative, they're slaves, right?
It's not happening at the scale that it happened ngayo FNB Stadium.
Too obvious.
EDA Kates, of course. But I think that thing.
Pananina ma chance ukukhuluma like ungakhuluma ukhuluma uqede la.
What the problem
Maforty lo la.
Yeah, lebe selingasazwakali.
We are trying to heal and move forward. So I think, especially at that magnitude, when our cases are isolated, it's just one mad white person there at the farm doing crazy things. It's not one black person only following. Go stadium, let's say capacity 94,000. Exactly. And not all of those 94,000 people are responsible enough to digest or process that message ngendlela yena angabe ufuna beprocess ngayo. So for
Yeah.
me, that was a little bit reckless.
No.
EDA or Conservative Party States Careers ingayenza such a chant, I'm sure the whole world will go crazy. So let's just try and be responsible.
Plus
We're moving
isimo
forward
futhi
and
yabona
healing,
umuntu
yeah.
njengomalema bro angayizwa futhi ivideo neleyo bese sitshele sithi singama wanna be Mgcini. Yabo.
What I'm saying is, in America right now, they passed a law in Florida state where slavery is being taught differently now. Where slavery, slaves were benefiting from slavery. They were gaining a skill that they were using in their own house. This is what they're now teaching kids in America about
I
slavery.
think iZulu fashion now so mele ifake internet ukuthi
Which is fact check.
ukuthi
Who decided the guy wants to be president of America, that government? Check, Google it.
Yeah,
Google it. They
before-
take the whole lesson slavery right now. Say slavery benefited the slaves.
before
abonye
lisiba
kuza ngupromote peace because two wrongs will never make it.
Please, by saying slavery benefit slaves.
Yeah, yeah,
You
yeah.
can't do that.
before
But
lisiba
ungakhangela to an
patriotic.
You
extent
are shitting on people by saying that.
ungakhangela to an
Babona
extent
Maforty ukuthi how reckless that kind of thing is. But yena, I'm sure in his way he means it like right. It doesn't mean harm. So you see, so we just have to stay away from sensitive shit. Yeah, you won even a quote, but big ups to him. Let's move away from that one.
You were saying something.
lizondile yahoma like what's happening
No, I'm just
khona abade sithi ku-good space
bro
Yeah.
good space umuntu sebuya ze
Sayibizulanga.
I'll say yeah so
I almost said some word about now, but continue.
Yeah.
Benziti shout out to ByoPodcast and chill for a milestone of reaching over 1 million subscribers on YouTube, bro. That's something huge, especially
That's
now.
crazy,
Wambon like uqaseni ubukele Mgcini.
Mgcini ambukeliswa ama interview because he would get like really exclusive interviews.
Yeah.
So I'm kind of like DJ Zinhle, and that's a while back. I think it was one of his first interviews.
Mina ngaplagwa yilokhu izini
But
ngaplagwa.
into engangiyenza ngambukela interview engayenza regular episode ngiskip.
Mina ngaplagwa ngilokhu izini.
I was just more of his interviews.
Naplagwa ngenye out yami ukuthonga Nigeria ehlala isithi bro bukela bro. Bukela bro, and then that time so kuzaba controversial, not like ilapana abatrenda khona for being homophobic and before that, but ngezikhathi zona lezi ngikho lapha ngiqasa khona ubukela bro. But like I think into sharp, like into blind, kubona into iqala from scratch, like
from pants
iqala from phansi izifike ku point nelana bro. Alokena ku blind,
ngiyakubona ivision yakho ngiyakubona emehlweni
lokena ku blind.
uthi one
Nah, bro, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that.
It's taking
I'm not
L's.
doing that, bro. Anyways, villain. Since villain Sally bring it up, like I've been seeing comments of people, bro, asking me like, "Hey, what? Sorry, malum, with the grace, but what's up, Malirat?"
akusitshela
No, like she's okay, bro. I feel like if ngingakhulumi ngomuntu, it means akwela content that time. But ngiyambona ngikhuluma ngayo i-content izabe khona. She's okay.
So
She's
in
okay.
other words, zaphendukule radio engamyala.
She's okay.
Megamreacha zaphenduka. For now, relax. It's fine.
Like she's okay.
Are you okay? Now it's okay.
kuyasokhanya manje face
Nah, no, she's okay. Yeah, when singabantu bro, kuyenzakala ukuthi maybe sihlala isikhathi singaxoxi. Maforty asixoxe every day. Yabo. So lama sixoxe every day.
bazo ngabona ningaxoxi every day
Yebo.
sase ku-talking stage
Yabo. Kanti vele kuyini talking stage ngicongbuze. Like kuyini talking stage?
Awu mathandana
Ama-trials,
wenza.
ama-trials.
Ay.
I-pre-season.
Kukhulunywani.
I-pre-season, i-pre-season.
Kukhulunywani bro. Alright, ama stage.
I-talking stage lokhuyana in football terms ukuthi i-team leyana ye-Saudi isithe Mbappe wena sawuholisa 1 billion. mbabe sithi i-1 billion le kwalenganzi be-1.2 labantu sebesithi alright man alright man transfer singangapheli indlu esabe sikuhlalisa kiyiza bile pool mbabe sithi yeah I like pools then yabo up to the point where sebesayile yeah
But yona Maforty ngesikhathi likhombisana
but this
la
one is
talking
like a
stage.
personality item.
Nah, like kudala ngensuku zendikhula. Lale
Zabhalincwadi.
kwakula ma talking stage. Hey, kenje la ngapha lakho.
Okho incwadi owatshela be-Asha, abatshela be-St. James, abatshela be-Tekwani. You know, yeah. And then ide kuvala izikolo yabaleka esikolo awuhambe uclosing day hambe bajabule abanye nxa beyehla kohamara. That type of thing. And then nxa manje engadlali tusana nawe hey uzobukhapha umtshoko once in a while uhambe uyembona abantu abahlala khona. But maybe holiday kwasibona 5 times all holiday.
Yeah, it was great. But what I'm saying is these days we like putting names on things. We like labeling things.
Talking
Hey,
stage.
you're gaslighting, you're talking stage. Yeah.
Yeah,
These
talking
things have been happening, bro.
Anogenis
Yeah,
uyangikhothisa.
binge. Daughter,
So,
sasichona snatha dutshala. Kade sokuthiwa binge. Wait.
Now that I'm older,
Get out of here.
Now that I'm older, I told myself, man, ask how to change, bro. If at any given point, any of my vibes of an 18 older, I'm still under
that time
I'm still under
that
you know what I'm saying so? Because
that time izisa zethu thina.
Market yakho.
Sengizibuza ukuthi
Come on.
nah, it's fine. It's fine. I understand.
Shuthi ukuthi wena
Continue.
I'm 26 years old. I don't have time for games.
What the fuck?
I don't have time for games.
Bro.
Maforty ayena. Dr. J, so ngubhudazi phela.
My brother is actually 34.
Oh.
Enguma 39 ile 44. 34. Enguma 39.
Bafana. Bafana bro.
The youngest girl is like, what, she's turning 29 this year.
Yo, I'm 29.
Even the youngest.
Yo.
Angifiki mina khona.
Crazy.
Sila abantwana bangaka.
Ifamily oma-40 shoot yaphela singabazukulu bro.
If I show you a picture of
What grandkids kuba 40.
if I show you a picture of my mom, you never think of putting your mama. Like she doesn't look your age.
Ndoda.
But nguzwile lapha ukhuluma ngento zencwadi ze-St. James wathiwathi. Ngayi era lana before ama landline.
We had landlines.
Yeah, they were there but they were scarce.
Hayi.
36 bro. So wena phela kahle mathematically. Usokuyi2 the nearest 40.
Yeah.
My 40, the name is so,
So
nice.
nice.
You gotta say it twice.
Now we gotta say it thrice because the bro is like 40. Now you gotta say your name thrice,
Yeah.
bro. Because there's another 40 now.
Yeah, but I gotta say, if I'm still gonna be doing comedy, by the time I reach 40, guys, that show, that comedy. we've
Yazi
been planning-
couple
we've been planning
yazi
for-
improcessani improcess ukuthi indlela time engidelela ngayo ma 40 ngile minyaka yami
When you're going from Mtaka Maforty, bro.
ngiyakwanisa bro ngiyakutshela bro ngiyakwanisa uba umntaka ma 40 ngiyakwanisa uba umntaka ma 40 lapha
I
and I'm
have
like
so many questions. I have so many questions. Maforty athi sikhuluma ukuthi uchere ngabehavior le 18. Le ne le 36. So age group abe target yipi?
I'm not dating anyone. I'm dating everyone who's in the north of 25.
Yeah.
But now because my youngsters are
That
like 28, my youngsters are like 28, 29. I'm thinking like, I can't date anyone who's younger than my youngsters now. Because even my youngsters say, can you date someone who's older than you? Don't date anyone who's younger than you. So like me and my youngsters are quite cool. So we're not applying.
ngogogo wesibro
But like, oh, cool, sweetie. It's okay. I'll do that.
Uthetha laba ukotata labana basefuna ukuchata la. Above 25 vele ngambamba
That's what
kahle.
I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. If I ask a 25-year-old, teenager, like,
actually there was a question ku comment section thina phela siyathanda u-engager labantu abasibukelayo because siyalalela abantu yabo. So I saw a comment from Primrose Chuma. What next episode question Mgcini should be should a woman date a guy for 4 to 5 years and the guy doesn't show any signs of proposing or marriage?
from my experiences, aside from that, right?
Yeah, when you are very experienced.
My friend.
It's like
my
20
friend,
years
very
experience.
knowledgeable. They dated for like 8 years. Right? My young sister and her husband, they dated when she was what? Lower. upper, and they got married last year. Like they did it for a very long time. My niece, my other niece, how many years? I had 2. Malia, I think Malia was 2 or 3 years. Like Malia is like what now? Hey, it's more than almost 9-10 years they dated those guys. And they're married. It's possible. It's all about communication. Sometimes we don't have a biological clock, but we have a financial clock. Where when we think our finances are okay now, for me to be able to take you in.
But in this economy, will our finances ever be okay?
When you're able to say, okay, these finances are able for me to go pay lobola and be able to take care of this person. You have to, because you might, I'm not saying have millions of 10,000, 100,000. When in our world, financially, you are stable. I want to have my responsibility other than you. And then you can add someone else. Okay.
But
that's what men have a financial cloak, not necessarily biological cloak like women. So for us, that's why we can get married. Even I'm 36, I'm single, I'm not married, I don't have a child.
But njengoba thina ngathi sisahereza, so umuntu wakho la should be patient enough.
Yeah, but one of us, the problem with women is in as much as they want to be perfect, social media is telling them, we can be with this guy, that's now you can hold him down and something.
Yazi nanzelelani khona Maforty, yazi Maforty ever since ekhuluma iminyaka. Bro mboni indebe. Mboni indebe eziwhite.
Obolimimi lelo ukuthi ochere laba bangela. Ochere laba aba sticker la ngawungela lutho okaba lutho kumele umyale okwenza ukuthi ayi build futhi omunye usho.
It's so sad.
Communication. I'm not ready to marry you. I'm not ready. You talk.
That's what I was getting to. Yeah.
Talking too late. I'm not ready.
Into umbuzo lo ukuthi problem ama situations achiyana. Like uthe engatshengisela ama signs like not like ama signs ukuthi the person is not even communicating or anything. Hlala ngama vibes or any what. Because kulesi isikhathi ukuthi 5 years esingayitshaya wena ngutshele ukuthi J nanti igabha lami lamapostori la nje amfaka ama 10 past. 5 years siyaphela imali yokulobola sikwali.
Lapha kungenelwa mina la. Ngoba sathenga sonke igabha lamapostori. Ngathenga phela igabha lamapostori.
Let me lie dog because I'm actually not financially responsible. I'm admitting this on the podcast.
Into efana
I'm really not financially responsible.
igabha lelana ngathi ndithenga ngangikwazi ukuthi kule malini. But ke ngisakwazi.
So it's a crazy gap.
Ngisakwazi bro, like ngathola nje
kuphela but I can estimate
Ufaka 10 or
50, 100 bro. Not ukuthi into engiyenza every month.
Uche elwenze ethi lo uvula igabha ubuzofela.
Vele nxa sensiyavela laphana ngathutshe legabha nje kuphela. Babedelela phela. Babedelela. Thiwa karelo thutshe legabha awufa. Ngithi ngivula
ukuthi bisanyihloka bye.
I think communication is key.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. Ukuthi if 5 years akwazi siziqeda mfaka imali egabhe yombe siziqeda mina ngitshone eCosmo ngama weekends vele ngakukhulumisi. So ke chiyana ama situation yabona ukuthi lapha kudlalwa ngawe la.
But other than that, futhi lawo tshela kuna kukhanya ukuthi uyadlelekala.
Hey.
Yeah, it's not on the guy. Yeah, it's not on the guy.
I'm actually need to be honest with these girls. Like there's a song called Nema by Willis Watafi. I hope you guys
Besembona ngalo manore banema.
It says, when he explained the song to me, he was saying, I'm not saying I want this term, right, in a woman. He's saying, mina mfuna uchair, lo wana uthi ngihamba la, you know, ngihamba la. Amajithi, hey, chair ka Maforty kuyiply. Ngihamba la umasala, hey, umani wazana wami. You get it? And when we go now close doors, but I'm a window, you know, behave, I'm a poli. Right?
Ngiyakuthi ukuthi lifuna into eziningi kakhulu ngoMaforty. Akutholakali khona.
Mama ntamela dunuse yaguqa ngale.
You are saying ukuthi I'm saying so because I'm saying I'm cherry. It's not like they can't be bathed in the bedroom. They just abafuna ukuthi uyikulema lobo anything. But I was saying sweetie, I want you to be all these. You might not be 100%, but at least I want these characteristics in you. But no masala uyajampisa ngekutshengisa umasala uyajampisa. I'm not gonna marry you.
Ama complaint abo cherry kuma situation anje ukuthi wena ufuna abe ngubheva wena uyakwanisa ukuba amajita basikhombela labo bana abangama phina enzima le like oche no ochera sithi like ukuze nabe freak lawe mele ubumfikisile kwaphana ama levels ona lawo because wena ungeza ukuthi
But when how many very few women are open to talk about sex open. Very few.
mathatha lidlala lawo enjoy it
I'm saying
Yeah, Maforty.
Wana ma 30 something.
Yiyo ma 30 ayenza so. Anoke ni
anoke nemkhodi
Sele dala bathuke alama STI problem. So I'm
and the one's good, it's funny because I've been getting these dates, bro. Niggas go, hey, into zenze cosmo les. Guys, fix your lives. Anyway, let's continue.
because I told you last week on the post, I went to an hour 2025 back to my STIs.
Yeah, bro. A lot of
In Bulawayo.
doctors have been confirming this.
In Bulawayo. Like between 20 and 25, almost of these girls and boys are having STIs.
Anokelekele ukukhotha le. Lizabole ulimi mchini.
What I'm saying is, Cherry, and they should be as open, you know.
yeah but la nxa ufuna abe ngubhev umfikise kuma bev levels bro awungeke ukuthi wena ufuna umfazi abe freaka umthengela ama lingerie
Abe Zulu Fashion House, yabo?
yeah we have some queer
Yeah.
lingeries
Tuche vele kuwe bomthi what's the goal? Lifake center. But umele sike sifake mannequin le center kwethu.
but yakwanisa ukudobheka uzoyitshengisa wona
Yeah.
hambo ithatha
Ikere.
hambo ithatha phela lapha sikho ZBC ukuthi sithi and action
What's the goal?
But you know,
We kind of sell us move. So won't tipakile.
I'm a clean comedian and I do clean comedy. I'm not for family-oriented entertainment.
all right so yeah
What's the goal?
yeah
Yeah.
awungeke expect ukuthi umfazi abe free kungamthengela izinto ezinje Zulu Fashion House
Ikhaya lesengalo so
Kuba
sifuna ama
negative.
mannequin yeah, ikhaya saso. You see? Aha, I want isizabo la.
abazali bethu babukela i-podcast
Yikho akho
Nobody
isizabo
shaming
la.
abangabhakanga.
ndoda yabe
Lay la kuyachi yenza.
yazi mina kuyabe somele ngichasishe into zona lezi endlini ukuthi besenzani
Lay product placement.
oh actually this is an
Yeah,
advert
this is an advert. Relax.
so
guys.
yeah you can get that you can get that item yeah
Yeah.
it's Zulu Fashion House
Accountable
sure,
for
for sure.
petticoat lan.
No.
Nothing sexy.
Ah, petticoat is like dick repellent, bro.
but mina ngiyalizwa
Eish. Ngayo waterproof abantu bayakudala le.
but yazi
Crazy.
ngicabangayo like lithishe namandanda la ngicabanga something liyabukela i-World Cup yabafazi so like begqoka amapenta lawa
Ah, bagqoka la angana amashoti la.
When Nigeria, what keep the top aside, I think. Then there's this picture which are goal a tab out to qualified. And then there's a guy on social media who says, I'm gonna be watching FIFA World Cup until the final.
Ego Chris yathi kati kuyenza ku SABC bani.
kathi kuphuma ku-SABC bani lokho
Yo, but also ukuthi silokhuzile like sisegwele lapha sakhuluma ngento eziblind ezichos. Like abanyana they actually they qualified, bro. They made history. That was a crazy game. I was watching that game, seeing my highlights. I'm not a fake guy, and so seeing my highlights.
ngangiyibukele live
Watching the game, it was crazy, bro.
mina ngayibukele
It
live
was a crazy game.
njengolova njengomntu
Shit.
ongaqhatshwanga
What's amazing is for the first time,
Yeah, bro. Ah,
into
that was
engavumela-
amazing, bro.
into engingavumelana ngalayo bro at that time igame i-South Africa ndoda kwakuyi-11 minutes but uref impembo ayishaya ku-16.
Serious?
Yeah bro.
Why?
Make sure.
Haya ndoda.
Abaphume la.
Hayi.
Amavuvuzela.
Hayi.
I think for me, I think you don't know what they count like they are making sure good. I mean, most of these are delaying tactics now. They are going to squash them. So the more you delay, the more the extra.
Yes. That one I understand.
But 16.
There's an extent, Maforty, where you have to.
So
you
we
have to
it
take
like
it, yeah.
so extra time.
Exactly. There's an extent.
extra
Kule game lane timare le pose ke chai at the time la 11 minutes.
Ndoda.
Itimare iqini
Ulalane United eBrighton.
I was there that match. I was there.
Akahleka ndoda. Ngahleka bani ngambhokile phela ngahleka ukuthi you.
Man. But anyway, that shows the human element of sports anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So just
Ulalane United le Brighton. Abantu ababizwe endlini kwathiwa uBruno ezochaya ipena. Game esiphelile nje.
yeah. Yeah, very
Ikubona
important.
khona ukuthi sometimes oref babe nama team abathandayo. Like is human.
It was a human element, bro.
Yeah, when
How strong is the Netherlands? Do they stand a chance to go to the
last World Cup they were the runners up.
damn? So it's crazy. Because I was seeing the money that they were promised. The money is good, bro. Because for going to the round of 16, I think they're now getting $1 million each. So if they go 500K for round, no, 500K was for the group stage, I think. Milli,
From the government or
I don't
from
know,
the tournament.
but
The
it was some
tournament,
chat. Yeah, I think it was from. So I think if they manage to pass the stage, they're gonna get somewhere around 2 to 3 million
per player.
on top of what they've already got. Yeah.
I think FIFA said the winning team gets as much, the equal amount is what the male team got.
Yeah, auntie Lokuzini
Yeah.
50-50. Anyways,
So we now we're now getting ahead of ourselves, but they should just try and push as far as they can.
England is playing Nigeria, right?
I don't know, bro.
Umuntu engazidinga nokuyibanye abana kuyi-1 la.
Manje uchere
Siza
bona
ama
bana
million.
gaba khomba abanye uchere compare teaming. It's a crazy thing.
izigwawa.
Abahawukele ngabona bayethiwa elihawukela lo uchadela lo wabona zokuposta ama TikTok abo bonke abajulayo. I-team yonke omunye nomunye lomunye wakhe.
Ngamakhapuli.
Abaye bachadile ukuchada. Compare i-team so guys.
But
Don't
mna le
hawukela.
hope kuzaphela.
Yeah, ukuthi kuyatsho. Especially money changes people bangatholi imali le basakala.
Nasokuthiwa mina
Ketha
lapha
mina
ngani
ngemillion yami ngunceki lalethi le yabe kunceki.
ngihlaliswa ludumo. Benzathi going back to i-question ka Primrose Chuma ukuthi so sifike ku conclusion iphe ukuthi iminyaka omeli ujole layo lo muntu. Lawa nje like usuchecka into zakho ukuthi yipi maximum thina la as a podcast yipi maximum esingafika ukuthi le iminyaka le ungayifika le hala kumele ubuzame something.
Kumele akula formula wena kumele ukhele situation yakho. Indaba zonke ya communication, direction le focus yomuntu. Ungathi ubuza umuntu lwa abaye abantu singolova sinje kadesani but sihambe esikolo. Omunye umuntu yakwanisithe ngolova le sikolo akafuna ukuhamba. Le lokuze uphoma ukuchaya izandla uphe umuntu onjalo I don't see why you have to even take it to 3 years. Even 6 months 1 year uhlumekile ngoba yabona umuntu lo akala direct nxa engakhulumi la ngako ubona umuntu lo vele is not serious about anything. Utshone ekhuluma ngokudlala uFIFA kuphela.
Hey.
Career mode.
Omunye umuntu you don't even have to take it to 3 years, bro. Uyabona lapha kula foka. But omunye umuntu uyabona udalo uyazama le gabha lamapostori liyaphusha la uzabona but wabona le gabha lamapostori agcwala 5 years achiya abantwana bazalamba.
Kuba songasayenzi.
Ngiyazenza.
Someone for 3 months get married.
Yeah.
Akuna formula la.
Njenga these days.
Exactly, yeah. You just have to have like your own checklist to ubona ukuthi umuntu lo does he check this box, does he check that, check that.
Kulo-
then, yeah.
Mina amanye I realize ngama-red flags. Brian on house date me vele abona ama-red flags left right and center.
Iwapha ama red flags akho Maforty.
Mina my lawyer drew up a prenup.
Is that a red flag Maforty ukuthi we prenup?
Yami phela when we are dating.
Ngama 50 shades.
Umuntu engadate umuntu for a very long time. Yakwazi ukuclaim what.
So na before ujola
There's a document now ready for ozathola lapho.
so na before ujola lo
But
muntu
Maforty.
expect ukuthi umuntu asayine.
Somele sign ama
Maforty.
Dala
Yabona
Maforty.
Maforty.
Hayi Maforty uzasixotshisela amankazana. Thola ukuthi ukhona defu
Guys.
ukukhothisa.
I'm just joking, but
but but nxa uthiwa wena ungathiwa since Maforty vele sekuraise nxa uthiwa wena ukhuluma ama-red flag akho wena ozibonayo amna ngiyazazi ukuthi le i-red flag yami le ungazi uthini iwaphi.
I get easily irritated before like want to message in shorthand, bro.
As a guy,
Did you go to school?
about spellings game afford.
Give you spelling.
About spellings game.
Did you go to school? Come on, grow up. Shorthand. Kuna njoo ikanda mbali message.
WhatsApp sile feature editor man.
And another thing, I'm ever busy. That's a very big like I'm ever busy.
Yeah.
Like you can be my girl, and we can say Saturday service song. When a phone call comes, Tumelo, we need you in Harare tomorrow. I hit code, and I will tell you, hey, mamas, I'm going to Harare. See you when I get back. So our data saham. So I'm not really available in terms of. But I'm trying now. I've been Bula for the past 2-3 months. I've been trying to not to travel and be stationed in one place, but that's a red flag. Yeah.
Party now wena ama-red
Yeah,
flag
yeah. I'm busy, bro. I'm always busy. And then coupled with that, I'm too playful. So some people think this really affects me. Like sometimes even work setup, I'm too play. I'm falling nje imoto yami thuzi so ifile with ngehle mola so I don't take anything serious, bro. Like so lo muntu o data la remember this guy is always playable, he's joking around like vele ndlala bro, but I know ukuthi ngaso serious. So some people they may interpret that thing as ukuthi ale akulandawo la bese yakhona. But in a company, I'll be having big plans and I'll be plotting, like being serious. Although I'm just an easy going person.
clown.
Yeah.
Yeah. When I go,
when I thinking overcommitted, ngathola cherry receiving ingena heart.
but that's not a red flag.
That's not a red flag, bro.
Abantu.
Become smoother.
Not even in that sense. Like must communicate and I won't reply in an hour something most tough. So feel it.
Yeah, you're clingy, bro.
Clingy as fuck.
Clingy as fuck.
Yeah.
No, but I think, yeah, you can add as many, bro.
I'm a very private person. Like if you date
Yeah,
if
that's
you
right.
date me, Instagram account is a boyfriend on your picture. Or your Facebook post. I'm that guy.
But you
Yeah, that's me as well. Exactly.
I'm trying to hide something, but I'm like, sweetie.
I'm not hiding. It's none of their business, bro.
I'm not that guy. And introductions, I don't like introductions. And our chair, I think there were 3 who actually met my young sister. If you're a girl and you meet my young sister, just know that I like you. I just don't.
But yeah, mina let me philosophy impossible khona lapho ukuthi people are supposed to know. When yamazi uchero wami.
Yeah, mas.
Wena la yamazi uchero wami. So yinto le leyana ukuthi people are supposed to know who eventually know.
You know mas.
Ungabona sokumele because ku broadcast online and people don't even have to do with this and see like anyway because we're like close friends these days. I usually post my things with close friends now. Yeah, I usually post. Yeah.
Amadoda la.
Yeah, bro.
And she wants attention after the shows. I'm like, no, sweetie. If you come to the show, if you come to the show,
Speaking of shows,
if you come to my show, with girlfriend, after the show, hey, we sharp. I have to also give attention to this. When I came to my show, you wanna take pictures, you wanna do. When so many you why? No. I'm at work.
usakhumbula into engenzakala isistory lesena ngasixoxa ngekho bro. So wena nje wawena bengisexual harass ukhangele dog.
But you look.
Nguwe futhi wambizayo.
Hayi, wayebuza ukuthi
Bro. Ngangikholisa.
Nangikhumbula live reaction.
Ngangikholisa.
You're actually uncomfortable.
Ngangisho.
It was uncomfortable for you. It was actually uncomfortable. for him. But my sister, her sister was in his zone, bro. She was, you know, and
Like a racing,
she
but the
danced
shock.
on stage.
Hayi,
Eh,
come to man.
eh,
Come to man. Many am red flag. Man, so I think I'm a red flag in one kind. Lokuba lao. Sometimes ngiyadakeka masinyani. For the most part, vele I mean, this is joker too much, bro. Like, joker ukuthi noma sewile mfuna ukudeliver into serious. Anso ngikutshele ngithi la somele sikhulume. Zakutshela ngihleke ukuthi hayi.
Kodwa yazi la mina esike sibona u-Andrew wakho ntini hleka khona lapho. Let's ubhakala khale litshekile. Wena sibona ke liyadlala but it's serious ukuthi njani. Bona u-Andrew wakho is serious.
Ikhono kya lokuba clingy. Asikho kuba clingy but tikucheck up nomuntu wakho. No. Like because into khona umuntu abumjayele licommunicate ngendlela elijayele ukucommunicate ngayo.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Olofesandleni.
Sokutshintsha yakhe kumele ube consent ngakunjalo but ngaqala sokwazi umuntu obusy onsende message ama message ayi2 ngelanga then noma sejona just
okunye futhi consistency ku talking stage umuntu abekhuluma lawe 24/7
Ndaphana phela siyosisa negotiate iplay ukuthi libe clubhini. So vele mele
twa inhlanzi usegabheni asifakele ama worms sifakele sasedra vele ingene egabheni the worms are for the other ones.
So lona bekungumbuzo ka Primrose. Mina ngilo wami umbuzo before sikhuluma mina vele angazi why umuntu oproduce ishow le ethanda ukukhuluma ngento zomjolo too much. But anyways, umbuzo wami mina this week ukuthi how did you know it was time to end that relationship?
ophinde umbuzo wakho
How did you know that it was time to end that relationship? Wena ngoba bahlala bekuyala.
hlala receiving end
It's very hard for someone to admit this relationship is ending. But I remember this other time, so the girl, I don't give up phone. Bro, me I've had the experience, you know, because of the color of my skin, right? So we don't have phone.
What you like you?
Bro, we've been there.
Yes.
Not a nation of it. Now we've done everything.
So how sitting on jail
So we're on phone, and they even moved out of the country for some time. She came back, and but I want to have Zama and all. But one thing I didn't discover. But I'm like, I'm not gonna change. I think it's that time for me. Thinking my mouth.
Like sharp
She was okay, but the family was just right. But now the problem is, why say feel up pressure too much from the family because now she's no longer lives in Zim. Because she's dead. So they have to move it to a varsity outside the country so that every job. Holiday and the make sure holiday so she doesn't get to see me. And that was taking a toll on her. And I'm seeing it. I'm seeing so many give so many and then hey, bro, chill. What's wrong with you? So at the end of the day, I realized no, for my sake and her sake, it had to end. So she came to my office at the time. I said to her, I love you, and I know you love me, but the color of my skin is not changing. So this is where we need to stop. Like, I know you love me and you want to be with me, but the color of my skin is not changing. So when I thought pale, you stop coming to my office. You stop communication. It works. It works. She, for the longest time, she became angry with me for many years. Like, I think she still has those vibes. Even though I can but she's now married. But when I'm about to go, I think I'm born a very bravele. You're going to nigga. What did you do?
Mrs.
Yeah.
Mrs.
But
Jacobs, sorry, Mrs. Jacobs.
But what I think she was disappointed in you because already I'm sure like she was taking a lot of heat for you and she was willing to sacrifice a lot for you.
Yeah.
And then when for you to just like give up like that, I'm saying that's the angry like.
You can't be on the phone call if the person now we want to spend it now given a nice time. She has to be calling she has to be crying all the time. You get a nice day, She has to call, crying. It's not something that.
That's what I'm saying. Guti, yeah, at some point maybe also we decision I say to fuck this guy's family. Mina Uma 40.
I wouldn't have.
I'm about to 40 all the way. And then 40 is there, like, no.
I wouldn't have liked it for because at some point the dad was disowning me, and I didn't want that. Damn. I didn't want that. Like ungaba nomuntu check abangibo check separate nabantu abangibo. Akuyenzi check. Okay, no matter how much you love that person, I know it happens and not where, but akuyenzi, bro. So for me, I was like, I wouldn't want to be separated with my family. So why would I be involved in separating from my family? So it had to end. When I ended it, bro, it was hurting. I spent like 2 years without a girl. Because every time yonke
Ongachula malo kuzenini. Amahlanje.
Echa iskomoro. Yeah, boy.
but for me, I can say it was hurting. Bro. It hurt me for the long run. It hurt.
Sorry, dog.
alenzima
umchilile nathi sorry ka ngawathi sorry so Maforty child bora ikhona uthi sorry Maforty.
I actually see and decide this has to end now. Ama yonke lana athi sephela but into le have sephele kudala yabo. So kwabakudala. Yawusuka but into le have sephele kudala. But that's the only one way I was like it has to end and end.
Yeah. My name is Sterity.
Sorry.
I'm not talking. I don't have stories because you know what's funny with my most of my relationships, how they would start. It's always like natural progression where I get to know someone, get to vibe, find ourselves in a relationship, go flow, and then that thing, of course, you can plot a graphic, then while so naturally you just start, you know.
Yeah, makes sense.
Not then so paid it. You naturally fall in, you naturally fall out.
Yeah, stin in, stin out.
Yeah.
You said something about me and the 5 cows, right? You'd have thought.
I said most though. There's some that broke like yeah.
You said about 5 cows, right? You'd have thought that I would have learned from that girl. But you know, always I tell me this over 5, bro.
I never want to see that.
That's just like some man said, but you know, fellow would die today. Nonsense, bro.
And mina into ebhaka ngami ukuthi mina ngingabona namuhla ukuthi relationship sokumele iphele ayiphele namuhla. I'll find a way ukuthi la uqala le isafu. Yazi ke phela next month selokhe kuzima bitch la bitch.
Kuba toxic, you know.
Dude, ngikutshela. I hate confrontation, bro. Even the stars I don't like confrontation and burning bridges. So I'm send a message I if I see what you have your silly traits or you're a bad person, I'll start sending you 5 messages next week. 4, 3, 2. After 2 months, now you've already gotten used to the idea that I'm no longer around. Then I'm gone.
I'm not confront.
I mean, bro, I hate arguments, bro.
I should be confrontation, bro. Especially.
But yeah, they're healthy, bro. Yeah. They're healthy, yeah. Siyahlangana phela siyahlangana elinye day Ukraine so stachele Russia ku Kiev sensithi anoke phela undropekise man zasatshela ukuthi wena you're a shit person now you can't even greet the person.
Yeah, khona nxa sokuphele njalo sokuyisimo but again bengisathi before ngikhuluma okwamani bengisathi nxa ususesaba I confrontation bro subona ukuthi awasakuncenga relationship
ukuthi umuntu uzathi
mina ngifuni bro even
like yeah because
no what I don't even want because confrontation work 2 ways ungapopota lapha uchingela umuntu la yena engela la yokuqakamisa ivoice yakhe yena aziyehlisa axolise kuhle kuhle now you don't have a reason to leave it.
Yeah.
But if you just quiet
hey wena usizitshela ukuthi namuhla
ungitshela kuba khalo wenzani dog akuye kusaze kuthengela ama president exolise like you can't be a bad person like that bro.
Mina ukhona okwaphefumulela phezulu
wangasena
uqalisa ukuthi
you guys
Sathula to. Sathula.
Efonini.
Over the phone.
Hayi over the phone yes. Face to face. Vele mena uyala umuntu face to face.
That's what I don't want, bro. I don't want someone
Honestly.
to. I don't want someone to be crying in the bazam. Yeah. No.
Like after that, bro. Oh.
Because
That's why I'll just silently vibe.
ngoba ikawa ningi kade sikhuluma ukuthi we play too much. Ungaqasa ukukhala. Uhleko lwami solula.
Ikuba toxic lo.
Uhleko lwami
Uhleko ama feelings womuntu.
uhleko lwami. So hayi mina ngiyebe semfike kudala vele
Balama
conclusion.
ngafaka ku-mute kwenye serious comments. Afaka ifoni ku-mute ngathi.
Ifak for energy lela.
Ngaphefumula phinda wira.
No, munye waqala ngizitela WhatsApp ngathi yezu. Ngathi lapho nguthi wapha paragraph. And response ngathi yezu. Wapha paragraph. Afaka ngathi yezu. Like I was like engasa WhatsApp vele because ngalo yezu.
No mina lapha engabona konti la mina ukuthi ngibe semboni la sokuchile la ngibona ngama signs yona la I see me futhi enza like it's not always the case ukuthi ime ngihle ngi-end relationship but ngaqala ukubona ezinye izinto njemboni la asinda yabona khona ukho confrontation with every time ma umuntu angayenza something ongayincanyana ma usumconfront abesikasi uthi I feel like Billy is rushing into things.
Okunye kuya depend.
Yeah, lo bekujwayela lo.
I feel like
Akunguyimnikazi we-relationship uyaphendula njalo. Ba-relationship level abanikazi.
like umuntu vele ungambone si like ngaye ngaba ku situation enjalo. Ukuthi ngathi ngizama ukuthi
utukhuze sokuthiwa cha losihle ngamane siye.
Hey.
Yes, siyakhona isukekela mina. Ikho bona khonta wakuncengi bro.
Imeletives in early 20 there is a rule. Relationship represents for 3 months. After 3 months only paid. That was me. Imeletives.
Lami ngaba le bad streak yo. High level bro. Kwaso stress la. 2 months dog. Like no still right bro. Like some shit will happen. Manje mina kwangayisibi ndoda engamfuni iphele ndoda but iyayiphela.
I feel like mini phase
too crazy,
yenzakala right now.
That was too crazy bro.
Mina bro vele late bloomer bro. Yokwami khona kusenzakala karest.
It was too crazy bro.
Mina manje
I'll
vele
try
long
bro.
term.
You would lama was playing too much anyway.
Nanye
so I
bese
don't blame
sesaba bro. Vele singavele sidlile 1 month. Siyanga.
Mina long term.
Where are we going bro with this relationship?
you. Yeah.
Singaphuma ku relationship I think 4.5 years.
4 bro, that's a degree.
4.5 years. Yeah.
I degree le graduation bro. Waqeda graduate.
Le baba lengane.
Congratulations.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
I life.
Guys, because we've been around this world for thousands of years. Ngaindolele formula nga some other great minds yes manual. But there's no manual really for these things, meaning it's a crazy world.
This may sound so wrong, but the reason why we change is why a change surname. It's got nothing to do with cleaning for me or cooking for me or anything. It's sex. People are sending surnames because of sex. For sex, nothing else. That's what it is.
That's a snippet.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, this.
That's all.
So man, uphinda futhi.
Surname for sex. Bro, I was
Take washing. Ingakwazi kule mchina ochipileyo kule lobola futhi okuwatching. Washing machine $300. Mama they take washing machine mama.
Maybe I'm not married, right?
The dishwasher food same price.
So I want to know the one of sex in the marriage. And I'm like, what you need to say now? What's going on in Guinea?
But remember umunye mbuzo during the week. So abachatileyo it's every day.
No, it's not every day. Apparently, sometimes even that are twisting around sex.
Maforty. Yabo amtha. Mina ndoda vele wamfazi ngayimboni yama vele.
Uyawudate. Ngasi type yawo.
Ngiyambona vile. Yeti msendele high five.
This guy knows, bro. Any chance he has of just kissing his wife or which has been first
Exactly. Vele I think umuntu ohlala la isikhathi
Bathi-
eside attracted kwethu.
What the problem? Sex in your bedroom.
Initiate.
Why is it sex? Sex is the way you just talk, even you're walking, you talk the way. That's where all things start. How you relate to this philosophy
Indlela Maforty passionate ngayo into le nto.
Ano-ke nisikhothise phela
Ano-ke.
emoteni ziyawa lapha sifike sipake ikhethi sawo sivela whatever singangena endlini ziyawa.
Yeah, mina i-relationship engiyifunayo naleyo.
And,
The girl was like form 3 and the girl was like upper.
I-relationship
And
engiyifunayo.
yabona ukuthi
Emoteni
drive
sifike.
yenu ibe clean.
Yenza
Ucherry
libona
mavuke
abantwana,
ekuseni
kumele
khompani.
nenze
Ungahle uqalise vele ukumarinate kwamba wahle uthi namhlangano omuhle. Ukumthi kiss inyani. Iqasa khomba. Manje wena uyavuka uchaya phansi. Ucherry vele la yebesebondile hayi si type yami phela le. Ebusuku masubuya lapha na vele abesekwathi hali.
Futhi ukuthi Jeki nxa uhleze emsebenzini nake lapho ukuthi qhi. Ngiyivideo uthi namuhla ziyawa namuhla.
Umani, ividiyo yangibona moya kukhuluma kumbe ku.
Ubame ama-downloader qhi. Yabona namhla sengistela lesi.
Hayi. Ubuqalise ukuthi
But right
asikhulume nawo.
ku healthy konke.
Ukusendela lipho ngrid.
Uhluthi lingerie lana eZulu Fashion House namuhla.
Podcast yanamuhla le.
Tonight you're wearing this.
Ya lokho kungcono kuloku umthumeli iphondra.
Hayi ipongrid hayi
Iphongrita yes.
Send pipe yakho
Hayi,
right. Don't pong. Send pipe. Lingaba addicted ke.
It's no. You just send a video clip. Okay, you know you.
Uyasenda kangaki?
Kawani GIF.
Gawani what?
Ukuthi lina utshintsha phela nawe ubuya le.
Yabona indlela elikudefenda ngayo lokho ngathi kunormal. Kini yabona
Into normal nje. Into normal.
Iko liyathumela iphondra amadoda.
Asivale into le.
What I'm saying is,
Hayi vale mfana.
it's not like you do. Like sometimes you say something, you send a message, or you say something different. What I'm saying is, you just do something to kickstart the conversation. Just marinating the person for the time you get home. Or I'm doing lunch. You are my lunch today. I'm saying, she drove to my office and got coat.
Itafula ngokufuna itafula yakilo kuyidust mbijani isani shape eye.
Ngani ngiyawa
Why are you this person?
ngani ngiyazibona sesithi my last date for sec.
It's all depend on uthi li vibe kanjani. Uyathola umuntu olifreaky vele wabethanda ukukhuluma into ezinje. But wena church.
Yeah.
Imagine
So market wrong.
Siyathanda ichurch lelo kuzeningi. Kanti wathi abathanda ichurch abathandi icansi mba.
Awole ezinye ze-church ezithi.
we are friends, but we problem
Yeah.
So imagine if that's your wife and she's able to talk to you like that.
Ngiyakupenya enkula.
Imagine. That's all it is. This is how it is.
You would into right as a health. Your relationship health.
That's how it is.
Akonto awula kucabanga ukuthi awula kucabanga namhlanje akubonisa.
Itshintshela i-sex. Akona ukungwatshela or clean or anything. It's sex. Nothing.
Yeah.
Kulezinye states. Lezinye states esizidiscoverleyo. Lot of analyzer like ama listeners we podcast bantu basibikela ku YouTube actually discover that ama listeners abalalela via ama audio lokuzini platforms 57% are iPhone users, majority.
Yeah, they're listening to us via Apple Podcast.
Yeah. So
Jim, but not Mama Samsung, my comments. I'm sorry, guys.
ukhona
I was
ukhona
playing, guys. Yeah. Ngabona like 2 or 3 comments about say, I'm sorry, guys. Thina sizidlalela la. And that's where this conversation is going again.
nansi
But anyway,
Samsung to like this week is Samsung.
Yeah,
yabo.
Kanje yakho i-Samsung wale.
Samsung
A51 5G.
S25.
Yeah.
S25.
So, yeah, we mini phone is Samsung, bro. I actually work in Samsung, so I get into meetings in Samsung, everything. But it's
Basically.
like a 5G. It's a proper phone. It's like a 5G phone. Can zoom into your office while you're banging. Yeah, don't do that. But anyway. But anyway,
But I
what I'm
know.
saying is we all use Samsungs. We all use everything. So
Yeah.
don't worry. But anyway, 57 of our users basebenzisa 57% Apple Podcasts. And then the other difference, that's what 47% is split between Spotify and other platforms.
Google Podcast.
Yeah, which but then to its defense, yeah, I still feel like abantu Apple, it wasn't a accurate metric because most of our viewers are on YouTube anyway.
Yeah.
And YouTube we can't prove now. Can we prove what device?
No, we cannot.
Yeah. So uyathola ukuthi abantu be-Apple because abantu be-Apple ngiyasibazi manje wababona kuma-comments uyavula i-Apple Podcast ebelalele nga-audio maybe senze okunye.
Yeah.
Then abama-Android they'll rather just go straight to YouTube and watch.
Okay, guys.
So I still feel like if you
Just
just
straight.
go YouTube and just watch, you know.
but
Yeah, because Android is like Google, YouTube is Google. So yeah.
That comments every time. We are commenting. I'm liking the podcast because I know the content is gonna be fire. I'm forgetting.
Yeah, we appreciate abantu abanjalo.
Yeah, we really appreciate that one.
I'm walking 5th Street. He just says, sorry to disturb you. I know in a hurry. You're Maforty from the podcast. I'm like, no, that's my twin brother. I know you're just that I don't have a what Galani? He's not on social media.
Speak on the mic, puss. Sorry. Sorry, Baba.
The podcast, but he's not on social media or Twitter and that one. So like, I like the podcast. You guys keep it up. I think it was Friday after the podcast. Let's take a picture, man.
Yes.
I'm the one who said, let's take a picture because now I was a friend of him.
Yeah.
Let's take a picture. Oh, bro. It's like, thank you for making me a celebrity. I was never like this. Comedy, I was making money in comedy, but
Yeah, no.
not a celebrity.
We are all about
Uplifting.
uplifting our.
Not anyone is between 20 and 25.
But I know
You're about to
we
die.
appreciate wonke umuntu osibukelayo osilalelayo. Please guys, don't forget to join membership as well. And I think this is an appeal to wonke umuntu kades ukuthi if you feel like you can contribute something ku podcast, be it ufuna ukusincedisa i-content esibuya sikhulume ngayo la, because kulamanye ama-days so esifika la singawazi ukuthi sizakhuluma ngani, sifike sesibuzana ukuthi okay sizakhuluma ngani sesila excuse me yabo, or uyabulala nge-sound yabona, of which I feel like i-sound
Yeah, sounds
Sungabuya.
Sungabuya.
sungabuya but i-sound like I think simnandi, even video editing, what else, ama-camera yabafuna ukusinika
Lighting,
ama-camera
yeah,
bafuna usinika
yeah,
i-lighting,
everything.
reach out kuma-social media bro.
Labafuna ukusikhothisa ukuthi sihlale sithabile podcast. Play. Yeah, for
Yeah, for
Maforty.
Maforty.
Yeah.
Yeah. So just reach out.
Nah, abasilalela podcast development. Yeah.
Yeah, social media pages. Just reach out. Kule email address futhi anisizayifaka ku description lapha. Yeah, ukwenza ukuthi abantu sikhulume guys, like xoxe lathi, yabo, because at the end of the day so many celebrities.
Yeah, even ngalifuna ama comments just for us to know. You can put the platform
Yeah.
of the software 7 side to listen to the podcast or to watch the podcast. Yeah. If it becomes discriminatory, if you just say Android, we assume ukuthi maybe S23 Ultra. Or ngati iPhone like just assume ti iPhone 14 got maybe unosichala we X. But we safe. So pamalo kubhali platform iOS Android we see abayabele lokhu zenini eningi sabafakeli exclusive behind the scenes content ku platform yan.
Yeah, sifakele or ama-members actually.
Yeah,
Bathotha
yeah.
ama-members abe ngu-5. So kufana ukuthi sihle sithi babuye ngapha bazobona ukuthi senzani kawana.
Exactly, yeah.
We should do a live. We should do a live.
No, I think into esingayenza ama-members nxa uthi uyi-member of which ama-members amaningi awakho. But if you're a member yeah.
Kuyayenza.
But into engiyikhulumele ukuthi if you are a paying member, just reach out to. Nxa ufuna ukuzosibona sirecord ukuthi sirecorda njani. We can organize something.
Yeah, only man usibukele say okay, we have passports, we can pull up on you. So record the sithi ndrube yakho,
Mina nilive.
usifrayele. Yeah, it's fine.
But it's fine. Kule nto crazy engiyibonileyo during the week la. Le nto crazy engiyibona kule vegan influencer Zana Samsonova dies of starvation after a decade of eating raw fruit and vegetables. Raw.
Into lezi ziyabulala guys.
Hey, kodwa lami ngihlekeleni kanti.
Into lezi ziyabulala. It's actually more expensive to be vegan than which is unless
But
if
vele
you're
what
100%.
makes ama vegans like vegans?
Abanye
It's the
bathi
diet.
bakhona-
It's literally just based on diet.
Some identify as
But abanye labana be Peter labana or Peter abati animals shouldn't be killed. Yeah.
pain through the process.
Exactly. And they have even like some scriptures to back it up. Ukuthi, Adam and Eve, they were not eating meat. Yeah, blah blah blah. blah. Exactly. That's what I'm saying.
Ngelanga futhi wathena kuyifish so kwagcwala.
Exactly. uJesu wafika wavela wagcwalisa itheko ngenhlanzi zesifana.
What you get a fish?
Everyone is getting a fish. You're getting a fish.
So yeah, people should relax.
side of things, and
Yeah.
that's when you realize that Christianity is one of the most
Subjective, yeah,
No,
it's
it's
like-
not
it's
subjective.
highly
It's one of the most corruptible religion. Because you can interpret however you want.
interpretation.
You know, Quran. Lamanye lawa, bro. Okay, you go. Like they don't. Tina also may want to accommodate almost everyone. Want to accommodate almost everyone. It's
But Lena, do you think umuntu can be vegan as him in this economy civil like?
Lapho uyafa like ngisho ukuthi lapho uyafuna ukuzibhayizisa ngoba lathi sidla inyama yakhona we are not
At the same time,
we're not
amanye
well
ama-
nourished. Do not use that word.
there are two white people I know who are vegan.
Guys,
But inyama iyadura
uyakwazi
madoda.
ukuthi olive oil idula kule nyama manje olive oil labo zibani bani bona bayaso kumele ubadle kumele ube le mali bro, so you die. Yeah, you can't
But
because
mali-
ama-substitute ama-proteins lana kuyazomele ubuwadla lana they're crazy.
mali
Expensive, guys, being a vegetarian or being a vegan. It's very expensive. Ungathi nguwe nje thuri yombhuku nofama nxa ibhuku kuthiwa ngumvondo webhukwini uhamba nxa ipage livulwa so sibona ungaba i-vegan.
Ichomo le yavela sokuba le vegan uyafa idlala eshiyana into senze
itasemfuku yobusi ukuthi so
uyakubulala idlala
yini mali sidla imbhida every
uyafa ndoda.
Ngama-vegetarian.
Uyafa
inyama,
bro,
but inyama
don't
iyadura
try
kakhulu.
that.
But mina i-church yami yikho lapho esidalwe kuba labo khona yabo. Ama-vegan.
Because lo chago kuyazamela wona ichago lenkomo boss. Kuyasomela unathi abo almond milk labo zibani bani. Those things are not. Yeah.
Esabathini siyabeshaya ama-patties.
Wafrage olivin. Dida. Wafrage olivin. Guys,
Chunks liyadliwa.
those ones
Kudala
are not
kakhulu
easy
ukudla
sports,
ama-chunks,
eh?
bro.
Yeah,
Kudala
I'm
kakhulu
like
ukudla.
ngila chance. Asikhe experience fry nama chance go podcast.
Asambe ne-meeting, yeah, you see.
Yeah, soon.
There are people like there are things I've discovered. zilabantu abakwazi ukuzipheka like things like ibhobola amatemba nama-chunks like there are people who know how to cook those
cabbage, bro.
the cabbage so that so much njengowanidla jeki so ungalidla ichunk lakho nama-chunks lakusesayalibiza bra danti ama-chunks because I've seen him nibhobola yarizona bra but ingaphekwa ngumfazi ngabalumana ngumfazi ngabalumana
Donza malumbo. Ay, sesimaro se.
yeah man but
Guys, into leziya ziyadula leziya and zezifuna ube lo muntu oza kunceda angikwazi kuthiwa mbani umuntu uyabe kuncedisa i-diet yakho xa ufuna something like that xa ufuna ube it's not an easy feat but try 10 years so I think there's something that she may have messed up.
raw futhi.
Aye, but bro what I'm saying is
I think the problem is
you cannot starve for 10 years. Meaning she was, there's something that she experimented. She should have just stuck to a original formula. Or tell us what I am banana shaping and ilokuzinin mananga sawal.
Ashepangani sausage.
You also didn't say lab. I think that's well about kid and about fruit like.
Elot is going on.
Yeah. Ama eggplant ashape njenga mananga sawal. Waqine selamba.
But emoji le eggplant dala saldelele yawazi. Le strawberry dingqondo. Strawberry leziya.
Peach. Maforty yabona lila lakho lele bagwavile lasebaxaxabisa lizibandisa la podcast.
Sekuhle kanye ukuthi wakhwele sidla. Sekanye ndi mano wakhwele sidla. Abamnini. Uxaxako labamnini.
I don't eat any fruit. I don't eat anything other than the only fruit I eat is a banana.
Why?
All these areas, I don't eat that. Most of it smells bad for me. It makes me puke. Just the smell of it makes me puke.
Serious? Via chun.
Like.
Hewe ndlela ngithanda ngayo via dog.
Concentrated smell of those fruits are actually puke.
So ungadingi pa concentrate. Just get that item no smell.
Do you know to after mango fridge? Yeah, I'm fridge. So fridge the mango mina abana ngikitchen sinashana.
Imengo amayelo ayilana vela hayi.
Amajanje.
Amajanja mnandi. Guys, vele ala Maforty uyahlanya.
Bemfuna ukubuza ukuthi ibanana ulidla njani.
Ibanana is simple. Sha.
Yeah, Maforty tababaka Maforty. Wena LGBTQ.
Where is I you go loco.
Mina lami njengalo ukuvuma. Guys, like people are using your homophobia against you, guys. Like straight guys, you need to wise up. A lot of people are using your homophobia against you. Umuntu jeke kulanda nifika uthi phela nje ibruge lakho endlela kubambe ngale lige. Sike ibruge lakho lithanda ndoda ngoba uli homophobe. Don't let people control you like that. Kanesa usakwanisa kudla Russian obelithanda just because someone is saying it's looking like what? Yeah. Don't let people use your homophobia against you. Very really homophobe, actually, in the first place.
When you comment last week,
Because they're always going to use that against you.
When you comment, you try ngoma zinde. This la show what ali twekiri. Li show what ali twekiri.
Sitweki. Noma sitweka sekwasithi straight, bro.
Also admitted it.
No, what I'm saying is don't let people like use homophobia to control you. Yeah.
Bese mbone ngani porn.
Wasebona ku YouTube. So it's like, guys, this is what is I'm not gay, whatever. Something say you have to put a disclaimer. It's actually nice to watch this podcast.
How is that gay, bro? Just watch.
How is that gay?
You know,
Why would we put a disclaimer?
homophobia is really making niggas go crazy.
Velo
Just
ungabona
relax.
lokhu ngani kumele prove your point ukuthi wena you're not gay.
Then deep down, you have to be sure of your sexuality, bro. You have to be sure. Yeah, you have to be sure.
But
to the point would you even accept others, hang out with them, because you know what you mean. I'm this.
Khulume labo even bona laba ama others.
Yeah.
Anokeni isifakisi isandle epentini lapho.
Hey, because when you're playing.
Funny thing,
Chereza. Anokeni isifakisi lapho isandle epentini.
Hey, because you know you're just playing, bro.
ena mibhera ngihlala khona walomchi.
So sometime on weekend ngathola sengigcwele iCrew yonke khona phana weekend. Uzosokole enye sibuya silena sibuya sizotshitha licho mamla yahawukela. So wena ujaya so.
There's a guy Mzilikazi. Babekhuluma the guys. Mzilikazi the guys who are like, you know. But saka se omunye umuntu wayuseka saka sethi ngamadoda thina. Mina I was passing amkhangela nje. Okay, they are bold enough. It's okay. Happy break.
Hey, Maforty isha emna.
Yeah. Just leave and let leave, bro.
Yeah.
It's none of our business here.
And the melu
They're not using your private parts, guys. That's the thing. They're not using it.
Umuntu
They're
come out
using their
as gay.
things.
Yabona suchinchile phela to everyone in the society ngangathi I'm gay. Angatsho nje ukuthi abantu ngendlela abaseyokukhangela ngayo.
You know when you want what I don't mind people being gay. It's when someone you've known for so many years says, I'm gay.
Ngambukile uyizo. Kule scene lapho imember lane discover ukuthi umngane gay. Uthawang istabang. Manto ngitshela ukuthi uthabang istabang.
The story. Uti, I went outside the country. So I relocated outside the country. I go to the club, the minimum cheat. I saw the club. I want to sweat. Cherry, I'm going to go to cherry. Asusi, and tell what drinks are. Cherry, vibing. Rumini. Zero check. Umuda nigga, PJ, sweet brother. Get the papers and go you condo. Very get cheat. Mom, cheat. See, I move. What you got to like, man? What the fuck? Where cheat? I was like a drama cherry. My chapas.
Ukuthi umjidelo member nxa kasitshela ngestory so.
Maybe what watchula.
Waswathala.
Because I say after my last time in second class play. Maybe I say crazy. Why say catch lapha so mina nje around this. What can
Get it down
But
Podcast.
this has been a great episode, a good one. Me, I always appreciate this moment. This is my
bro.
happy place.
This was a crazy road show. This was the road show, bro. This was the road pro 2 show. Road show.
Parano, siyabonga kakhulu guys.
And they don't wanna see me keeping you close. And they don't wanna be here when I'm alone. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get some for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just